Wait, it's in gear. Take it out of gear.
Why you tripping, man?
Actually launch it forward.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Honestly, it was really fucking bad.
Oh, it was in the...
Oh, the blue tip, baby. Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are here with Jay and Conway, as always.
As always.
And this is Jay's 2018 Honda Civic SI. How do you like it so
baby.
far?
I love it. I think it's awesome, dude.
And what'd you
Nice
buy
daily.
for it?
Map Performance Catback exhaust. I'm super excited.
She's gonna be loud. He bought the street, or not the street, he bought the racing edition, right? It's gonna be nuts. All right, start her up. She's quiet. Little two-step action. It's going for the open. Oh, you hear that?
That was something else. Bro, your convertible Murano, man? Get out of my street.
Oh, baby.
Would you look at that? Cut off some of the
Wow,
video.
it's gonna be loud.
That thing is actually really nice.
D-bands and everything.
It's just gonna pop off, I'm hoping.
Jay with the gnarly
Cut me up,
pickup
Conway.
for the daily. Let's look at these tips. Oh,
Look at that. The blue tip, baby.
Oof. Ooh, those are actually really freaking nice. Jay, I don't think you understand how loud this thing is gonna be. Because
Three probably back without a muffler.
Jay has no freaking clue.
Where should I lay this? Should I?
I don't think it's gonna be incredibly loud, but I think it's gonna be incredibly loud.
No, dude, this is gonna be fucking loud.
Remember, guys, always cut away from yourself so that when I slip, I can accidentally gut Matt instead of myself.
Copyright, Mr. Self.
New gasket and then some V-bands.
I'm so ready for this.
Jay, 1 through 10, how excited are you?
10. Oh, I'm super excited, man.
Oh, she's gonna be mint. How many miles are on this car?
1750. I've had it for 6 months.
Nice. Gonna be ruining it. So Jay's car is gonna be your typical Honda Civic. You hear from 3 miles away. You're like,
I'm gonna start calling him
bang!
It's Hector with his Accord wagon. Fast and Furious, bro.
Bro, this looks so sketchy.
He's gonna walk into AutoZone and be like, I need 2 of everything.
So first step is to remove the front 3 front nuts right up there. Then you gotta pop off the hanger.
Thank you.
There's one up here.
Yeah, I already sprayed them, but...
And how many hangers are there back here?
I don't know, like 6? Like a lot.
So you gotta pop these suckers off.
No, I think it's 6.
So in case you guys can't pop these off, good way to do it. WD-40. That one's stuck. Get some leverage. That one's stuck. Squirt. Good little tip when you guys are lowering the exhaust. Either have a jack or get some jack stands to hold it up so it doesn't come down and smack you in the face. Jay looks like he's gonna fucking pounce. He's like a cheetah.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Wow, look at this. Would you look at that? Hey. So Jay, what you're cutting out are these mufflers and
Dude,
that
honestly, it's a pretty nice looking setup.
I have a res.
Yeah.
It's a pretty nice looking setup.
No, it is. It's awesome. Conway, not bad. How long did that take you? Like,
Don't know.
honestly, I would say realistically 15-20 minutes. Straight up.
That actually, no,
Yeah.
that was
Straight up.
seriously, like, you
Felt like
you told
forever
us
down.
to
No, just start the car. Let's you want to hear this thing with the turb ski. Wait, it's in gear. Take it out of gear.
Laugh, bro.
Actually launch it forward.
Oh god.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Honestly, it was really fucking quiet.
Oh, it was in the...
You're still on the gear, you're fine. The wood was in front of you.
Oh my god.
Wow, that would have been scary.
Holy shit.
Yikes. Alright, that's it, we're done.
Quiet. It is quiet actually. It's the turbines there.
Little rev.
Sounds
It's
good.
not, yeah.
Give it another one. No, come on, actually give it a rev.
Alright.
Lit.
Alright, now you gotta get a down pipe.
Alright, well, after hearing that, we're not convinced it's going to be as loud as we thought.
Yeah, that's actually quieter than my stock car. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh, poor Jay. He went from stoked to miserable.
No, it's gonna be good. No, honestly,
No, it's
I think
gonna
this is
sound-
better because I thought it was gonna be like terribly loud,
Yeah,
like
so did I.
disgustingly loud. This is gonna sound good.
Alright, so after you get these off, have to swap over the hangers. WD-40, your best friend. After that, what are we doing?
Well, I don't know what these Honda Turbo boys call it, but it says it's like a front pipe or something. I don't know what that is. No, this isn't the front pipe. I'm sorry. I don't know what this is. It's
After
just
the
part
cat,
of the
whatever
exhaust.
it is.
It's just part of the exhaust. Yeah, there's a down pipe, there's a front pipe, there's an up pipe. Hector would know. No, from Fast and Furious, bro.
Oh my god.
That's the best scene.
I've never watched a full Fast and Furious.
The first one?
Never watched a full any of them.
How you a car guy?
Bro, I don't watch no movies,
How
bro.
do you get half the memes on the internet, bro?
I don't.
Whatever I'm connecting this to is what they call the front pipe, because I looked up the exhaust. So I don't know what the hell that means, but it's whatever's after the cat, I guess. So
I got it. Actually, I can see it.
this hooks up in here. You put the gasket in. There's 3 nuts, because it's. Oh, I got the. I don't know. Online they said they were bolts, but these are definitely studs, which made this a lot easier. Give me the V-band first.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just fix it.
Alright, so after that front pipe is in, you have to put a V-band on it. And that V-band is going to connect to this exhaust right here. And that's Conway's first experience with the V-band, losing his V-band virginity.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
The front part of the exhaust is in. Jay, you getting excited yet or what?
I'm super excited, dude.
Super
Can't
hype,
wait.
bro.
Super hype.
I wish I
See how
had this
the
nice
tips-
of exhaust. Oh wait, you guys haven't seen the new video with the Borla.
Oh, that will come one day.
Give this guy.
The instructions say to do this first, right, Conway?
Well, they said about one of the pipes. I don't know, but I can already tell that because the other one has to be like, it doesn't have a V-band, so like, it's not gonna sit there on its own until there's something else to support it on the opposite end. So I'm gonna do this side first so it can support.
Jay, your dreams are gonna come true, man. 6 months of talking about an exhaust. It's time.
There she is, bro. How the tips look?
Oh, the tips are looking mighty fine.
Oh,
This
they
is
look
straight.
nice.
That's where they're gonna sit. So is it
They look
straight?
great, yeah.
They look straight. Yeah. Then
The
the other
stock
one,
exhaust,
yeah,
yeah.
the stock one is ugly as fuck. Yeah.
Nice.
I didn't know if I should have gotten polished or blue tips, but I think.
I mean, they both look good. I kind of like that because, like, in this lighting, it almost looks like goldish on the inside. Like
Yeah, it
bronze.
does.
I like polished personally, but like this looks good.
And it looks even worse. Like the Gretty, it literally looks like a nut sack underneath the car.
Well, I'd say
You gotta get a V-band on the end after the muffler is in. Give her a little rev. Not bad.
sounds good.
It's lit.
That sounds dope, dude. That shit is insane. I love it.
Oh, that's awesome.
And then we can put it in sport mode, bro. Whoa.
Probably opens up the little like valve or some shit.
Oh yeah, it sounds different in sport mode.
It does.
Yeah.
Give it a rev in sport mode.
Good under there, Conway?
Yeah, a small one.
Anything?
No leaks.
So we actually broke a V-band. Well, Conway did. So we fixed it. Long story short, we're done. It's pretty late. Gonna get a clip of Jay driving out. You heard the noise difference before. Maybe one clip of him driving. Jay's dad is whipping the SI right now. Legend. On the side she's chirping tires. Legend. Now we're doing interior inside the car drive. Jesus, whipping it on the sidewalk. It's not too loud. It's actually like perfect.
No, it's really not. I love it, dude. It sounds awesome.
It sounds fucking great.
Oh my god. I love it.
Well, I guess that's it for this video. I feel like there's nothing else we could really get.